don't know what's going on with our Wi-Fi since the fire. I don't know if you guys are aware that California is burning. You know, I don't know if you guys are aware, a lot of people lost their homes. A lot of people, they, people even lost lives, so it's really bad, guys. So I think some lately we're having internet internet issues, but I'm not gonna complain because there are people losing their lives, you know, and losing everything, their home, you know, their memories, everything. So I'm not gonna complain about what they're going through about the internet because, you know, there are people out there that's going through much more. Need to, I'm gonna get rid of that one. Um, remove. I don't know how to remove it. Oh, Sanjay is live. So, at nukesits.com. Hey guys, thank you, thank you. I had to close down and return because we're having some difficulties, I think, due to the fire. Yes, we do have homes. We're losing homes and so on. Thank you, Chernobyl. Thank you. I see you out there. Thank you for still being here. Thank you. Yeah, we're having some difficulties, but you know, right now they have brush fires where people have lost their lives, lost their homes, you know, in California. So they're having internet, I'm sure, difficulties with all the what's going on. So I'm not going to complain. I'm just going to be thankful, you know, that I still have a roof over my head because a lot of people have lost their homes and their lives. So it is what it is, right? Thank you. And yes, I remember when you said you had some good friends that help you out. Yes, it's, you know, it's good to have good friends. Yeah, it's good to have good friends, but I think the good friend will find you, you know, and or you'll find that good friend. Don't think that if you don't have a friend, something is wrong with you. No, it's okay. Because when I went to school, I sat by myself, and two of the greatest friends came over, and I appreciate them, you know, coming over. And they started sitting with me every lunchtime, and now they're professors. Now they're professors, probably looking forward to retire. But yeah, they were smart guys. They were guys. Yeah. They were from Jamaica and they ran track and field for the school. Awesome guys they were. Two brothers. Yeah. But they found me and I ended up with great friends. I didn't go out there because sometimes you go out there and you searching, you end up with the wrong friends because you're trying to fit in. You're trying to be in a clique. Nah. And it's the same thing in the workplace. I thought, you know, when you're in the workplace, you be mature enough, you be okay. No. Sometimes you get the wrong friends. Yeah. So It's good to have friends, but if you don't have a friend, it's okay. Love who you are. Go and have some fun. Go to the pool, go to the beach, go to the market, do something fun, excited, and laugh with yourself. Yeah. Thank you so much for coming back, Sharona. I appreciate you returning. I do. Yeah, just learn to love you. The right energy will find you, the right person. Yeah, yeah. And I'm sorry you're going through something, but you'll be okay. I can see that you're a good spirited person. You know, life ended, it was given difficulties, and you still came back. So I think sometimes when I don't monetize the live, it starts acting up. And once I click that monetize, it doesn't act up. Hmm, interesting, right? Interesting. It's like it's reminding me that you forgot to do something. Yeah. Yep. So, yeah. So, are you doing better now? Double M. What's up? Morning, morning, Double M. Guys, please make sure you guys check up on Double M. He's a growing content creator. So, Double M, Village Life with JD. You want to connect with her so you can grow. She has a, can you try to hypnotize me, please? Oh, Lord. Yeah. Yeah, so Double M, I gave you a handle so you can go over and connect with these people. Village Life with JD. Yeah. I was here chatting with Sharono. She's very polite. She's very kind. She comes back. And yeah. Why is it not? I can't keep up with this thing. Yes, it is. I don't know what you're talking about, my dear friend, but I don't know how to hypnotize anyone, Dylan. Yes, Double M. Connect with these guys. You have a handle. Go over and connect with Village Life with JD. JD, can you connect with Double M? I've been trying to send him over to you guys so he can grow. Blessed Life Journey. I haven't seen her in a while in my life, but she's great to grow. You want to go to Blessed Life Journey so you can grow to Double M. So connect with everyone in the chat before I go. I go to work at 8. Wisdom Sparks. Motivation is here for me to give them their handles. Yes, good morning, guys. Make sure you're connecting with each other, please. And when you connect, come back to the comment and let them know that you connected so they don't connect with you until 24 hours. So the connection will stick. Okay? So you want to connect with each other, come back to the chat, comment that you connected so they know to come back in 24 hours. You must watch a video or 5 shorts. Yeah, I said it, 5. Dylan, I'm going to speak Jamaican to you, Dylan. Nobody over here can hypnotize you. Not one soul. You heard my accent now? So go on about your business, Dylan. Dylan, what do you want with me this morning? Why you all giving trouble this morning? What's wrong with you all? As long as you're not being rude or disrespectful, because I'm not playing with you all this morning. Any troll that's being rude and disrespectful, you're going to sleep. As long as you're being silly, I'll play with the silly. If I can make you fall asleep, sure. Keep listening. You fall asleep. It's early in the morning and I'm sleepy too, but I got to go to work. Somebody got to go to work. Everybody in my family got to go to work. Yeah, we go to work. Yeah, we're not trying to fall asleep. We're trying to go to work. Keep listening, you fall asleep. Okay. Make sure you guys are connected with Double M, guys. Please grow while you're here. Don't stick in the chat. Go over. Hey, Lulu. Yes, I remember you. Yeah, so go over and get some new friends. Yes, friends are great. Just choose the right friends and make the right friends choose you. Love you and learn to accept you and enjoy you first before you go searching for friends. Okay? Be you, love you. Lucy's back too. Lucy is here. Yeah. Yes. Love you. Enjoy you first, and then you will gain the right friends. All right? So what's good? What's good? What's your plans for 2025, guys? Nice. Double M, Sharona, then stay connected. Sharona, did you comment on his content and let him know that you were there so he can come back to you in 24 hours? Yes, guys, connect with each other. Connect, connect, connect. Yes, I've been trying to get Double M to grow, so you guys, help him out over there. If you see anything he needs to do, let him know. Yeah, I do know he needs longer lives for at least 2 hours to gain his double age. Oh, okay, yes, listen to mom. Listen to mom. Yeah. Awesome. Double M, these guys are visiting your house. So make sure you go back to their house in 24 hours. So today is Tuesday. You can go back Thursday, or on the weekend. Make sure you connect with them back, but not today. Okay? It has to be after 24 hours. Give yourself a week to connect with each other. Yes. JD is here. Her main account is Anywhere, Anytime, JD. Oh, Lulu. Yes. You enjoy your day. And I know you're going to find a great friend. It's just not, it's time for you to find you first. You got to find you and love you and enjoy you, and then the right friends will come. It's not good to have friends when you don't enjoy you. Make sure you are able to enjoy yourself. Make sure it's okay to be you. Then the right energy will attract you. Okay? And listen to mom and go to bed. Yes, guy. Make sure you're connecting with each other. Yeah, Village Life with JD. Thanks. How many times I said, but still watching your live. Thank you, Lulu. Thank you so much. Thank you. But you got to listen to your rules. Go to bed. Guys, so everyone say bye to Lulu. Tell Lulu it's time to go to bed, Lulu. Okay, yes, be obedient. It pays off in the future. Yeah, listen to the rules. Rules are made for a reason. Yeah, if you listen to the rules now, then you know when you get older to obey the law. Yes, I'm streaming tomorrow. I'll be here tomorrow. I was just out for a week for the holidays, but I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. And you know it. Yep, I am back. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Awesome, awesome. Great connection. Wisdom Sparks Motivation said, Sharona, I will visit you later on this week. Wisdom, were you able to connect with Double M? Mm. Bye, Lulu. Have a great day or a great night. The problem, you know, and going to sleep. Yes, I'm in the house. I'm afraid of the dogs. Oh, the dogs? What kind of dogs are they? This thing is giving me a hard time this morning. I'm probably gonna have to cut in 10 minutes. I don't know what's the problem. Yeah. If it keeps acting up, I'm gonna have to quit this morning, guys. Yeah, yeah. Hi, Jojo. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, the network is acting up. I don't know. Network is acting up. I don't know what's wrong with it. So, what's wrong with it? So, and I'm not home. When I'm home, I can use my home Wi-Fi. But this is my data. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what's the problem. Tú tienes un problema. Network. I said, hey, hi, my friend. How are you doing? Thank you for coming to the live. We might be ending soon because we're having some Wi-Fi issues. Brooklyn, you're here. There are a lot of people you can connect with, guys. So please connect with them while you're in chat, okay? Connect with them before I go. I gotta go to work. Dwayna, good morning. Happy 2025. There are a lot of people in the chat for you to connect with. I'm sure you haven't met Brooklyn Born. Brooklyn Born is here. Yeah, Double M is here. Yeah, those are awesome guys you can connect with. Yeah. Yeah. Connect with those guys, please. Please grow while you're here. That's what my morning lives is about. It's not about me, it's about you growing. So whoever's in the chat, connect with them. Just come back and let them know that you connected so that they'll come back to you after 24 hours. Make sure you watch a video or 5 shorts, you know. It's okay, Dwayne. The internet is acting up, but we're having brush fires. I don't know if you see it on your news that people are losing their homes. People even pass, you know. So I'm just gonna give thanks that we, we're good. Yeah. So I'm not gonna complain if it's not working because I did get a notification saying, you know, due to the fire, there might be issues. Yeah. But I'm good. I'm good. How you doing? How is JA doing? Jamaica. Yeah, it's very sad. It just won't stop. What? But I don't get it. Every year this happens and it gets worse. So they should be working on a solution. Like, I don't know, the place is too dry at a certain time, so you start spraying water. I don't know what it is, but they need some people to solve the problem. It's every year and it's getting worse. So we need some people to really sit down and figure out how to fix this situation, because it's very sad. Yeah. Very sad. That's awesome. Yeah. Did you see my breadfruit lives? I did some breadfruit picking live last night and the night before. It was fun. I had one of my friends did it. It was so cool. The guy that works in his yard, he normally cleans up the yard and stuff. So I said, ask him to pick some breadfruit, and and record it. So, and it turned out to be a great video. He made two for me. I'm about to send him a message and ask him if he can do some more for me. I told him I'll pay him. He's like, no, it's okay. Awesome. You connected with Village Life. Awesome. Yes. Please, guys, go over to Dueno. He'll come back to you after 24 hours. Yes, connect. Dueno is awesome. You know why? He shares your live to his community. That's what I like about him. He shares, he doesn't only like or comment, he actually hit the share button and he shares your live. See, he said, I just shared you on my community tab. And a lot of us don't do that. So you're, you know, you want to connect with Dueno and stick with him because he does share your live to his community tab. Yes. Good morning, Teresa TV. Yes. So connect with Dueno. Yes, Dueno 876 Gaming. Yes. No problem. Good morning, Teresa. How you doing? Yes. No problem, Dueno. Connect with Teresa. Another great supporter, guys. Oh my goodness. Teresa, she's committed. When she commits to you, you know. Yes, you know. Because I haven't posted anything and I don't see Teresa's comment on there. Yes. Dueno is awesome, Sharono. So connect, guys. You want to connect with these great supporters that they look out for you. They're sharing your content and they also commenting, because I don't know if you know 2025 they were talking about the algorithm. They said they want to see comments on your contents. So you guys need to be comment. Yeah. So support each other. That good energy comes back to you. And it so happened our topic was about friendship. You know, I didn't have a lot of friends, but I had two friends. In high school. Yeah. So, you know. Yes. Thank you so much, Sharino. You're a great moderator, Sharino. You handled that chat. I tell you, and I was just talking about it yesterday, how I went to the market and there was someone in the chat, Dueno, talking about I was in the market and he kept, it's one of those trolls, he kept saying, oh, you're stealing something, I saw you put it in your bag. And none of my moderators handled that. None of them deleted the comment. None of them timed out that guy. I had to go into the comment after the live and saw it, and I'm like, all my moderators were there and none of them handled it. None of them. Lucy. Big up yourself, Lucy. Morning. Connect with Lucy, guys. Lucy will stop into your chat. She might just give you a few words. You probably only hear a couple words from Lucy, but she'll always put some emoji to keep your chat active. So thumbs up to the, keep doing this, guys, and tap. Keep doing that. It's free. It's free to do this. It's free to do that. It's free to comment. It's free to share. Yeah. So there are a lot of free things. You don't have to worry about super chat, super stickers, or membership. It's free. It's free. It's free of no cost. Yes. But we do have super chat and super stickers and a membership. Our cheapest membership is 99 cents US. It's not even a dollar. It's 99 cents US. I did that just so everyone could join. Yeah, 99 cents. If I could do it 50 cents, I would, but they didn't have that option. They didn't have the option. So the cheapest one was 99 cents, and I did it. Yes. Yeah, yeah, just support each other, guys. Support each other. Lucy Warren's World is here. Connect with Lucy. Yeah. Connect. That's what my morning lives is about. It's about growing. Yeah. Let me see if I can work this one and go over to you guys now. I have a few more minutes. Keep our fingers crossed. The internet is still working. I don't know what's going on with it, but it's still working. It's still working, guys. So let's go over to your homes. Let's do a visit. Let's see if we can get a visit with a broken phone. Let's go over and see what Cherono is up to. Good evening. Just wishing you a blessed night. Okay. Looking for your shortest one so I can watch a complete video. If not, all right. I think this one is good. Think a road at night. This is Cherono. Cherono, I'm in your house under. Oh, I need to switch. Sorry, guys. I gotta switch to my other name. Not. I mean, still like it. We're gonna switch to Jamaican Butterfly. That's my twin sister, guys. T Porter is my twin brother, and Jamaican Butterfly is my twin sister. If you ever see them, it's me. It's my twin siblings. Okay, let's go back to Cherona home. Let's see how many homes I can go to today. Just connected with Cherona, Jamaican Butterfly. So you just got a new friend, Cherona? Yes, you did. Even this phone is acting up. I guess it's something going on with the provider, because they did send notification. There we are. We're at Cherona's house. Cherona, you just gained a new friend. Her name is Jamaican Butterfly. I'm leaving a comment at Cherona house. But Auntie, how does any of this help me get the girls? Oh Lord. Good morning, Conscious Vibes. We have a lot of friends in the chat for you to connect with. Please connect. Yeah, my morning chats, my morning live is about you guys connecting with each other. We're in Cherona's house. Good morning. Okay, so I see Chirona is still in the chat. Conscious Vibes is and Wisdom's Parks. So whoever I see still in the chat, I'll visit your home. Chirona is driving on the road. I think this is a trailer. Yes, it's a trailer. Chirona Kimmy. I'm doing good. I'm going to work in a few minutes. I went to bed early because it was so cold. And so I could be here for you guys this morning. See, friends are good, but you gotta, don't rush it. Find the right friends. You see? I'm such a great friend. I came just to see you guys. Sharona, I just left your home. Let me go to Conscious Vibes because I see her is active at this very moment. I'll just go over there. I'll be visiting whoever I see in the most recent comments in the chat. So let me know you're here. Comment. Okay, we are at Conscious Vibes home. The God in you holds you unconditionally. True. That's very true. You know, my grandson, I should say, he said, "Grandma, why you keep showing that broken phone in your lives?" I said, "It still works. Leave my broken phone alone." Oh, good. He's so funny. He says, "Stop showing that broken phone, Grandma." I said, "It works. It allows me to go to everyone in the chat home and give them their double H." Then leave my broken phone alone. He's so funny. I miss him. That's my buddy. Yes, conscious. So I comment. There is Conscious Vibes. Yes. Theresa TV. Theresa, are you here? Theresa? Let us know if you're here, Theresa. Beautiful view, Conscious Vibes. Not only your message, but your view is also beautiful. I am now at Wisdom. Wisdom sparks motivation. Is that funny? I just left Conscious and now I'm at Wisdom, and you guys are both positive reminders. I like that. Let me see. Faith boosting prayer. Strength, your belief in Christ. I'll connect with you guys. If the internet starts going, then I'll just end the live in a few minutes. Awesome. I'm happy you guys connected. Awesome. I feel great when you guys connect. I do. That's the reason I go live in the mornings. It's for connections, for growth. Yeah. Yeah, my morning lives is for growth, and my night lives is for me to grow while I sleep. But my morning lives is about you guys, nothing about me. All about you guys meeting someone in the chat. All about you guys using your handle that I give to you. And if you see any bad guys in the chat, pause them, put them to sleep. They need to take a nap. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you so much. Wasim, Wasim. Wasim is from Pakistan, guys. Please connect before the live end. Please connect with Pakistan. Wasim, Wasim. Learn about another culture. Yeah. Connect with Wasim, guys. Wasim. Quite a few people that's in the live you can connect with. We have Dueno 876. We have Brooklyn Born, Conscious Vibes, Theresa TV. Yeah, Chirono. Yeah, quite a few people for you. I am at Wisdom Sparks' house right now. So I hope you guys are moving around. Yes, I'm at Wisdom Sparks' house. Thank you. Awesome, awesome. Conscious Vibes. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, love it, love it. Wasim is from Pakistan, guys. Gonna connect with Wasim also. Welcome to the live, Wasim. We here, we here. We're about to get out of here though. So work it, guys. Move it, move it. Play those short videos and, connect. For the connection to stick, you need to play a video. Something. Okay, I'm leaving Wisdom home now. Let's go over to Dueno. What is Dueno up to? It's gaming. So even though I'm not a gamer, I still go over to Dueno and support him. Like if I'm at work, I'll just hit play and I'll just have it and running because I support him. Yeah, so even though you're not a gamer, you still support them. You support each other. Yeah. So I'm liking his game, and he's smart. He has a lot of short ones that you can play to connect. Oh, I like the colors in his fighters today. I like the colors their way. Love the bright colors they're wearing. Yeah, I'll just comment about their outfits. I must be the only one because I don't, I comment about the fighters. See? I'm like, oh, I like their colors. Sometimes I'm like, whoa, he's huge. That's a big man. you know. Awesome connection to Wasim. Conscious Vibe said just connected to Wasim. That's awesome. Awesome. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you guys growing. I appreciate you being a go-getter. Yeah, you go for it. That's what you gotta hustle. Hustle. That's what it is. You gotta have that. Let me go, let me go. Yeah. Yeah. So that's how you do it. Whenever I go to someone live, even if I'm already connected, I still go to their home because that's an opportunity for me to visit them. And I'm like, hey, just checking in with you. Even though we already connected, but I'm at someone live and I see you in the live and I have a moderator handle, I'm going to visit you. That's how you stay connected and you visit. So keep that hustle. And guys, we're now at 7,000 subscribers. Yes, 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 yes. And it's all because of the hustling. Yes, thank you guys. Thank you for growing with me. Yeah, we're still playing. It's so funny because both phones are acting up too. I see that. So I just left Dueno. His was quit because he has short videos, so that's a good thing. No, none of these videos played ads, guys. I I have to go back. Lucy's here. Let me go visit Lucy, cause she was there. Even though I'm not seeing her present, I'll visit Lucy then Wasim, and then I'm going home. I get back. Did I go to Teresa, guys? I don't remember if I went to Teresa home. Teresa, are you still here? Let me know if you're here, Teresa. Let me do a short for Lucy because her videos are long. Look at Lucy's little dogs. They're so cute, guys. I think these are like, oh, look at them, guys. Look at these dogs. They're so cute. These are Lucy's dogs. They're too cute. At the checkout with the puppies. They're cute. They're so adorable. Look at their faces, like a pug. They're so cute, guys. Look at those doggies. They're so cute. They're cute. That's your dogs, Ismail. I believe you. They're so cute, guys. I have to keep showing them they're cute. Let me comment. Visiting these cute pups. Okay, that was Lucy's home. Who's present in the live? Wasim is. Wasim is present in the live. Okay, guys, Wasim will be the last one, and I gotta go to work. Wasim, you just got a new friend, Wasim. Jamaican Butterfly. I thought you had my twin sister. Now you have my twin sister, Wasim. Oh, you're playing ads, Wasim. Uh-huh. You're playing ads. Yeah, you're playing ads. That's you, Wasim. You're playing ads. One of my sweet, sweet grandsons took my glasses out of the case, and I don't know where he put the case, guys. I gotta find it though. My glasses needs its case, right? You're still playing ads, Wasim. Lucky you. I just complained that I didn't see any ads. I tell you, they're listening to us. I just complained that I've been to so many houses and I didn't see any ads. And as soon as I said it, I went to Wasim and look, it's just ads, ads, ads. They're listening to us, guys. Yeah, I just complained. All these houses I went to, I didn't see ads, and it's pop up. This one is talking about subscribers. Must be. At least I didn't give up. You see, guys, we can't give up. You see how many times my life messed up, and I don't let that. I still keep going, and that's why, and I appreciate Chirono for sticking with me, you know, because she came on my life twice when the internet went down, but she came back. I signed back on and she came back. That's the meaning of support. You don't like, oh, it's not working. I'm not coming back. No, she came back when I came back on. And that's true support, guys. Those are the people you want to connect with. Don't give up. Connect, connect. Look, he's still playing ads. What's going on with him? What did you do to get all these ads? I guess my complaint. I gotta go to work now. I had on a sweater. Let me put up my sweater. I'll let you run. I'll let you run. What's team? You playing a lot of ads. They're making up for all the ads I didn't see. Exactly, exactly. That's right, conscious vibes. We can't give up. You know what seem ads still playing, guys? Why you? I don't know what. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for actually holding those reviews. Yeah. He's now playing, guys. Finally. So this is Wasim, guys. This is Pakistan. So make sure you guys connect. Be blessed. Have a great day. One love. I'm going to have him running, but I will be running to work too. I'm on the first floor and I need to go upstairs. So thank you for being here. Thank you for growing with me this morning. I hope you stay connected with everyone that you met this morning. Be blessed. Have a blissful day, Conscious Vibes, Wisdom Sparks, Wasim. Thank you all for being here to the end. One love. Cherno. Bye, Cherno. Yeah, Long's videos has, you know, the ads, but his video is not a long one. It's almost done. I don't know how he got all these videos on a short, all these ads on a short video. I don't know. It's a short video. It's only 3 minutes. That's weird. But his game, I'm still watching it. It's still running. Yeah. Sometimes, yeah. Yeah, I think he's placing his own ads or something. Oh, look at the animals. He's showing some animals. Guys, go over there and watch it. All right, be blessed. Have a good day. Gotta go to work. One love. Peace and love, everyone.